You know, there's always the question about who's struggling in Georgia. We can answer that by who doesn't have enough income, or who doesn't have a job, or who doesn't have access to health care. But if you ask the average Georgian, everybody's saying they're struggling. Everybody will say, who do we trust? As we get more cynical about government or the public sector or the private sector, there's got to be some place that we go where we say we trust those numbers. We trust the people that are doing the research.
It is very easy to be caught in ideology as a legislator, and too often, irrespective of party, we forget that the facts matter. And what GBPI provides, and I think an authoritative and consistent manner, is the real story. What we decide to do in terms of policy is up to us, but we need to begin our responsibility by understanding what we're doing.
There is an unintended disconnect between policymaking and what actually happens on the ground in education. What GBPI has done is, through their research and analytics, been able to take metrics and apply those to education so that the cause and effect is actually seen, so that both sides of that equation can be connected, understand each other better.
Whether we're up at the Capitol talking to legislatures, or whether we're even talking to patients, the key factors that people want to know about when we talk about Medicaid expansion or healthcare coverage for the poor is, well, what is it going to cost the state? The information that we get from Tim Sweeney and from GBPI, it's just been invaluable in terms of helping us to make the case for expansion and health coverage for the poor.
So I think the more that we connect the dots, the more that we can help each other, and also supporting the organizations that give us that credible statistics that we can rely on, the better the average Georgian is.
The average citizen is impacted because the people they elect to represent them have better information. The more we talk about not just the analytics, but the impact, I think that's how we become a more progressive state.
The old saying is, knowledge is power. I want to encourage the good folks at GBPI to continue that great work. The greater transparency we have in every facet of our government is all to our advantage.
We truly appreciate the work that you do and all of the valuable resources that you bring to the state and to the patients that we serve and the work that we do.
I think that there is nothing more profound than gratitude, and I am grateful to GBPI. It has made me a better legislator, it has made me a better leader, and I believe it's made me a better citizen.
We can all celebrate that not only have we lasted 10 years, but we've prospered in these 10 years. And that it really does make the case that we all have to step up and do more. That we need GBPI more today than we've ever needed them.